What's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to another unboxing video. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, as you have read by the title, I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox November mystery box, and I'm quite excited to see what kind of goodies we receive in this box. Now this cost €8. That's how much I bought mine for, and I'm just going to jump on their website and read a little bit about what we're expecting from this box. Let's have a look. So it says here, our pink prize this week are nearing the end, and for that we have picked up the absolute highlight. If you are fast, you can secure the best surprise deals with the most sought after boxes in recent months at bargain prices. So what we receive in this box is going to be from previous boxes, and I'm hoping it's not going to be from November, because I unboxed mine from November, and I hope I get something different, you know what I mean. But yeah, so everything from here from previous boxes, and yeah, let's go ahead and find out what we have in this box. Now it comes in this pink packaging. Of course it's a pink packaging right there. You guys know I love pink, so I'm already excited when I get like a pink box, and these are quite handy. You can pack your stuff in here afterwards, which I do. You can keep your jewelry in here or something else, I don't know. But yeah, let's find out what we have in here. So when you open it, of course we do get a magazine, greeted by a magazine there. Let's just quickly unwrap that. And you guys, this box here, it's not to be confused with your monthly subscription. This is just for the month of November. It is the mystery box for the month of November. You still get your monthly subscription box, which of course I will receive mine for the December one, but this is a mystery box for the month of November. So that's out of the way. Now that's how it looks like inside, of course, and we get this gloss magazine, which is like this. So this one is the one that tells you all the product that we have in here. Of course, it tells you every product that your box contains, so that's quite handy there. And let's go ahead and start unboxing. Oh, how did they know I wanted to get this product? I almost bought this one. I wanted to get this. Oh, okay. They've picked it in here. How did they know I was about to buy this product? Okay. Anyway, I'm quite happy that they have included that in here. So let's just start with this one that I'm already excited about, shall we? First product is of course from Neutrogena, you guys, and it's their Illuminating Boost Hydrogel Mask, which is this one here. Now I do love their mask a lot, and I use them. This one is with vitamin B3. I use their mask, you guys, and they're so good. However, I have never tried this particular one in this color, so I'm quite excited to try this one. I usually go for the blue one, blue or light blue kind of color. Yeah, I usually go for this one here, this. But I have never tried this that they have included in this box. So that's quite nice that we have this particular one. And I'm quite happy to give this one a try. I already use them. You guys, if you follow me on my Instagram, you may have seen me, of course, use that particular mask. So yeah, happy to have one of those in there. So that is the first product that we receive. Already excited about that. Moving on. Next here I see something which is a lipstick, and this one is from the company called Contour Cosmetic, which is this one here. Looks like this, and the lipstick looks like a very nice color, very nice shade. Let me quickly swatch that. Oh, the color looks beautiful. So look at that. That's how that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? That looks nice. I like the color. Actually, I'm not mad at this one. Okay, I'm not mad at this one. So this one is of course a matte liquid lipstick, and the color looks absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so first product, she's happy with that as well. Alright, what do we have next? From here we get something from Manakanda Beauty, if that's how you pronounce it. Probably I said it wrong, but yeah, we get something from this brand here, and this one is HD Perfecting Powder. Ooh, it is the powder. Ooh, that won't work for me. The colors won't work for me. Okay, that's how it looks like. Obviously the color is not for my skin. Looking at this, it won't be, you know, suiting for me. But oh, it smells lovely though. That smells nice. Okay, so that is HD perfecting powder. All right. I just wish that I had a different shade, but anyway, so that's that. And let's move on. What else do we have in here? I see something from Lancaster, and this one is Tan Maximizer, which looks like this. And again, I've never tried anything from this brand. So first product that I received, at the back here it says repairing after sun soothing moisturizer. So it is a soothing moisturizer, of course, and it's suitable for all skin types. So that is that. And how does it smell? Oh, it smells lovely. That smells nice. Oh, that smells beautiful, you guys. Smells beautiful and very fresh. That's nice. All right, so that is that. Let's move on to another product. What we have here. Oh, do we get a sample? We get a sample. Oh, okay, so we get something from Aurora. Oh no, we get a sample. This one is the sugar scrubs, you guys, which is this one here. I've never tried those ones, so yeah, we'll give them a go. It's a sample size. I'll try it and see if I like it. Then I will definitely definitely go back and buy a bigger bottle. They do have different one at the back here. You can see, of course, there you can, you know, find the one that you like. But yeah, that's a sample. A sample. Okay, cool. All right, so that and we have last product in the box. What did oh yes, we have this product in. You guys, they have included this product in here, OM to the G. Mine is about to run out actually, so I'm happy that they've included this one here. And this one is their Aven you know, Semo water, which is of course this one here, you guys. Let me just quickly open it. Oops, I cannot even get it open. Okay, come on, we can open you up. Okay, all right, just did. This product is awesome, you guys. This is like a travel size. Awesome that they have included this one in here. Let me just quickly show you. I've got mine somewhere here. Hold on, let me see if I can find mine. I have mine, which is right here. So you can see over here I do have a bigger bottle compared to theirs. So yeah, bigger bottle, you know, small size. But you know guys, this is a very good product. I use mine, for example, you know, sometimes when I remove my makeup, I do get like my skin gets quite irritated, you know, like my skin, and I always use this like to put just a little bit on the cotton pad and then just, you know, rub everywhere, and that helps to, you know, kind of you know, calm the skin, and I like that. And also I use it, for example, you know, if you have like a sunburn, you can use this one. Or if you have, I don't know, like aftershave or even after wax or something like that, and your skin gets, you know, quite irritated, I do use this one here, and it really does, you know, do its magic. So that is cool, and you can use it for so many things too, you know, setting up your makeup, which I do because it's on my makeup stand here. And I just love this product, you know, in summer as well, you know, like to refresh your face, just, you know, spray everywhere. You can do that, and it's awesome product. And what else do I use it for? I do mix it with my moisturizers, you know. Sometimes I put my moisturizer and I just spray a little bit here, mix together, and that one, you know, helps to give that extra, you know, hydrating boost that you know, that your skin needs. So very good product, awesome product that I'm happy they have included this in here. And yeah, cool. Okay, not mad at this. And this is 50 ml of product in here, so this is a very travel, you know, friendly, and that's awesome. So that was everything that was in this box, you guys. Wow, I am quite impressed with a few things that we got in here, and definitely my highlights for this have to be this. Let me quickly just organize myself here. I've got everything all over the place. Oh, and one thing I forgot. Hold on. Also, we did get this summer magazine, you guys. I almost forgot about this one. So that one also came in this It's a summer magazine. So we are in winter now, and yeah, so this tells you this was from previous boxes. So this is summer magazine, and I'm going to have a look what we have inside here. But anyway, the products, you guys, I'm quite happy with some of the goodies that we got in here. Definitely this is it's a good product, you know, from Avan. It's a very, very good product. And then of course the mask from Neutrogena that will get a lot of use, and then the lipstick too. The color looks gorgeous, not mad at that. So those three products I think I'll get a lot of use, and I'm quite happy that we have them in here. The other one, I'm not really, you know, hyperly excited about them, like this powder here. I mean, it's cute, but will I get use of this? Most likely not. And then also, you know, this tan maximizer as well, you know. So yeah, they're there, but I think the most product that I love the most, or I really am excited to try, are this one right here. So I mean, this one I won't try because I already tried it, but these two here obviously. So yeah, that is everything in this November mystery box from Glossybox. You guys, what do you guys think of the products? Let me know down in the comment section below. I really appreciate your feedback, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So yeah, we're going to leave this video right here. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, of course, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, I hope you have a good one, and I shall catch you guys on my next one. Take care for now, and bye bye.